it is important that all East African countries can support the Washington Agreement between DRC Congo and Rwanda. Because what people doesn't see well, it is just people are focused on the profit of a small group of people, but they don't see how the region will be will be peaceful when all armies of East Africa countries will start working together to get solutions to problems in East Africa, Congo, in Sudan, in Somalia. And when we are peaceful, when East African countries are peaceful, our government will focus then on promoting development. And maybe that can be even extended to all African countries. So the program of United of Africa can go so fast. But when already governments or countries are political divided, we will not achieve that dream to have one Africa, to have one passport, to have one ID, to have freedom to go wherever in Africa. So I think all countries may support this agreement, and it can be extended first of all to all East African countries, and after it should be reformed small and integrate all East African or African countries. As you know, we have a strong army in this region. When you join AFC M23 army, you join with the Rwanda army, you join with the Burundi army, Tanzania army, you join with the Kenya army, you join with the others armies in the region, I think we will uproot all problems of security on the soil of Africa. And that is the cause of problems in Africa. Thank you so much.